Our gold sponsor, the South African Radio Astronomy Observatory, has a brief talk to tell us about themselves. We will be addressed by Siddle. I'm sorry, Siddle, I completely forgot to ask you what your title was, but I'm sure you'll tell us. So, please, Siddle.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Siddle. I'm a software developer at the South African Radio Astronomy Observatory. So I'll be telling you about SARAO and the software development that we do in the company. So an introduction of who we are, what we do, and why we do what we do. We are an organization that is funded by the National Research Foundation to facilitate all radio astronomy initiatives within the country. One of the initiatives that we facilitate is MeerKAT. MeerKAT is a project to build a telescope, and it consists of 64 telescopes. It's actually one of South Africa's biggest scientific projects. And it forms part of a consortium, an international consortium, with countries such as Australia, Manchester, China, to build the world's largest radio telescope. And people are wondering, why are we forming this kind of alliances to build the world's largest radio telescope? The reason is for us to enhance our understanding of the universe, to know what is surrounding us far beyond what our eyes can see. So there's different departments within SARAO, and we are in the engineering department as a software developers. This giant structure here is the telescope. It's huge. Just to give you a perspective of how huge it is, the collecting area here indicated in purple is 13.5 meters in diameter. That means that we would have to place an average human being, 8 human beings, lining up here to form this diameter. So it's really huge. With this huge structure, there's different sub-teams that work collectively to create this kind of structure. We have about 15 sub-teams within the engineering team, and these are some of the teams that are working on the system. So we have the system engineering team that designs the requirements for such a structure. We have a team that focuses on the structure, the look of the structure, that's the antenna structure. We have a team that focuses solely on the networking, security, and storage of the structure. And we also have a team for receivers when we collect the radio signals, and a team that digitizes the signals. We are the software team. We control and monitor the telescope. The telescope moves in a vertical direction and a horizontal direction, tracking a source in the sky. So for us to actually embed software that does that, we need the structure to already be in place. We need the mechanical team to already have done what they do. We need the structure to actually be there. So in the software team, we are a multidisciplinary and a diverse team consisting of more than 35 members. And really, our mission is just to develop the nation through developing software that is of great quality and is user-friendly. And at the same time, we want to build critical skills for the community as well as the nation. And we are a knowledge organization, so we are continuously and constantly encouraging a culture of learning and development. And we do that through creating Innovation Week, or having an Innovation Week, MOP and peer programming, funding for furthering studies, and actually also attending conferences such as this where we can learn. In the team, we have different skill sets that you can work on or contribute towards. There's a team that works on device control or the subsystem control and the monitoring. There's a team that would focus on the UI UX design and implementation. Some of the team members work on hardware simulations, security, storage support, as well as DevOps. There is a vast amount of tools and technologies that we use. All these technologies are not used within one sub-team, but different sub-teams create their own tech stack and work with that. This is not the exhaustive list of technologies that we use. There's more, but just for space issues, I've just shown some of the technologies that we make use of in the team, and we do use a lot of Python. Apart from the technical stuff, we actually do have fun stuff that we do, like team building activities. This is a picture of some of the team members at PyCon 2022 in Durban. And we attend conferences such as Eclipse in 2023 at Century City. And we actually do have team outings around Cape Town at the waterfront. And yes, before you ask, we are hiring, and you can go to the link if you're looking for any vacancies, or you can actually visit our stand that is outside. Thank you.